Hello, it's your girl FineHair. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to flat twist your natural hair without extension. So I have already sectioned my hair, as you can see. After sectioning it, I also section it again into two, and I have my right hand side and my left hand side. After doing that, I went ahead and prep it. And how I prep it was I use my comb, section it, and I keep it because I'm going to twist my left hand and my right hand. After twisting it, I will now grab another hair from my left hand, add to it, twist it, grab from my right hand, add it together with the old one, twist it again, grab from here and add with the old one I had, twist it all together and twist. We are going to be doing that until we finish the flat twist all the way to here, because that is how I section my hair. Now I'm going to put what I just said now in practice so you can see it. After I do this one, then the next one I'm going to use my index finger to section it instead of using comb, because in this one I use a comb doing this. So I'm not going to use a comb. Okay, so what we do, I start from my right hand. This is my right hand right here, and this is my left hand. So what I do, I twist it. If you haven't watched my first video how I teach you how to twist, individual twist, go watch that video because it will help you. So I'll take it, cross it over to my team 3. So this is team 3. This is team 2, and my right hand is team 1, which will be this. So I'm going to show you what I did. I'm going to twist it a little bit before I start adding new hair. I'm going to call this one that I'll be holding old hair, and the other ones is going to be new hair, so it doesn't get confused. So this is my right hand. I will send it to my team 3. While my team 3 is holding it in place, remember the hair that we sectioned before? I will grab from my right hand. This hair is from my right hand. Once I grab it from my right hand, right, I will bring my team 2 to hold it on the root while I add it together right there. After doing that, I'm going to push it. See what I did? I send it right there. My team 3 is holding it together. Now my team 1 is free. I would come back. Right now that I come back, I'm going to grab hair that we already prepped before from my left hand. Now that I grab the hair from my left hand, I'm going to twist it a little bit and I send it. This hair now, my team 2 is holding it on the root to make it nice and tight. I'm going to grab hair. That is why I say let's section it into 2, so you know. I'm going to grab hair from my right hand. Now that I grab it from the right here, you can see it is next to my forehead. Now that I grab it, I'm going to open my fingers, which is my index finger and my thumb. I'll show you how to open it like scissors. So I grab this hair from my right hand, I open it, see, I add it together. Now that I add it together, I twist it a little bit. After twisting it a little bit, I send it to team 3. Team 3 is holding it while my right hand is free. Now that my right hand is free, I'm going to grab this next hair that we prep from my left. See, we already prep it from my left. I grab it. Once I grab it, right, I use my team 2 to hold it down while I twist. I'm twisting it to make it nice and smooth, and that is how we are able to get that twist look. I sent it. Now that I sent it to team 3, team 2 is holding hair. I'm going to use my right hand to get this hair that team 2 is holding, and before I do that, I'm going to get a hair from my right hand side that we already prep right here. I get this hair, I open my team 2, which is my index finger and my thumb. I open it, and I hold it all together. Now this hair is not able to loose because my team 3 is holding this, is holding my left hair very tight, and my team 2 is holding the hair also in the root. When I release it, it's only this that gets softened. This one does not. You can see it is still tight, and that is why once I now close my hand now, which is I close my finger, I twist it first. That is how we're able to get the next tight look. See, after twisting it, I send it to team 3. After sending it to team 3, I'm going to get hair from my left side right here. We already prepped this hair already. I open my finger, add it together. After adding it together, the next step is I twist it. Remember I said when I open my hands, my fingers, my team 2. So you don't get, when I open my team 2, it get a little loose. I hold it again, it's now tight, but to make it more nice and tight, I twist it again. I sent it, right? Hope you're understanding it. Okay, after doing that, the next thing I will do, I'll get my team. So it's really right, left, and my next hair will be from my right. Right? We already sectioned this hair already, so all I do is I get it and I add it. I'm going to show you how to use your index finger to separate it while you're twisting, but I just want to take it a step at a time. So I twist. Right now that I twist, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the hair. So I grab the next hair in line, which is this. See what I did? We already sectioned it before, so we add it together, right? Now that we add it together, the next thing is we twist it too. I pull it a little bit to make it stronger, right? Then I'm going to get from my right side. So it's left, then you go to the right, then right, after that you go to the left. So see that? I grab that. I'm going to add it with this. The way to add it to this is really, you can twist it again. I will show you. You see right there, if I try to pull it here, see, it's going to be a lot. So I'm going to add a little more hair. Did you see? I add a little more hair from my right side. See the hair? I add it together. Then I twist it a little bit because I just let go of it to hold the rest, right? Then my next side will be my left. I get this hair from my left. After getting it, I add it together and I twist it again, right? Then the next side will be my right. I grab it from my right and I go. The next side will be left. And that is why I say after you section the part that you're going to do, you section it again into 2 to make it right and the left. That makes it easy for you. You grab it again from the right, and now I grab this last one from the left, and this hair is finished. So now that it's finished, I'm going to twist it. You see, because I'm not releasing, I'm not adding any more hair to it. That's why I'm not opening this team 2. I'm just going to hold it tight there, twist, put it a little bit, twist to make it more tight, twist, 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 twist. Can you see that? That is how you do a flat twist on your natural hair without extension. So after I twist to the end, I will make it going a little. And this is where you have to be very, very careful because it will be more slippery because it's at the end. See, I hold it and I twist it. Did you see that? I'm going to show you another session with this one. But this one, instead of coming down, I'm going to twist it and go up that way. So I'm going to show you that this time around, I am not going to use comb to section it. I'm going to use my index finger to section it. So the way to do that is I put my hand in the middle and keep going. It doesn't have to be neat. Did you see it? So I have my right side and I have my left side. I'm going to section a little more. So right, this is my left hand and this is my right side. What will I do now? Again, I want to show you how to prep this hair before you start. It's a beginner only side. I know it's a little bit hard to explain, but I just want you to understand. So what I will be using is you use your index finger and you go like that. I prepping it. I section and I put it closer. Section again, I put it closer. Section, you can see that. That is what we'll be doing. Then I'm going to do my right side, the same thing. I'm prepping it. I'm going to do another video where I will not be doing the prep. I'll just twist and go, twist and go. But this to get you to understand the concept, excuse me. So after I'm done doing that, what I will do is I will start from the next hair. See, if you look, that is the next hair. So I will do it the same thing, twist it now. And I get what I twist it again because it's the starting one. I don't want to just start adding. So I make it clean now. So I will start from my left side. I grab the hair. See that? Did you see what I did? I'm going to redo that. I twist it, then I add. I'm going to get hair now from my right side. And I put my index finger, you see, I put it that way. I bring it up, put the hair closer to my hand. I twist and I'm going to get another hair to add from my left side. I get it like that. See? And I twist. Remember to just keep your hand down and twist. The next side now will be my right side. So I put my hand. See, I put it this way. I get it out. I pause a little bit to twist it. After twisting it, I send it to team 3. Team 3 is holding it down, right? I'll get another hair from my left side. I add it together, twist again, and I go. My next side will be my right side, right? I grab the hair. I add it together, twist it a little bit to make it nice and neat, and I go back again. I get from my right side, my left side, twist it, and I go. That is pretty much what you'll be doing. I go my right side, twist it a little bit, I go. The next one will be left, right here. I grab it, twist it, and I go. I'm going to show you, just take it a step at a time. You grab again, twist it a little bit. The twisting that we do is what makes it to be smooth. And being that we put our hand down, you can put your hand down this way, or you can really put your 2 fingers to hold it at the root. And that keeps it to be tight and neat. Like you do with that again. I'm going to get from this side, right? Add it together, twist. Then the next section will be my left side, right? Twist it and add, right? That is what we'll continue doing. You section a little bit, you twist, you section a little bit. So my index finger goes in, you see it goes in right there. Get the hair and add it together. I have already showed you how to add it. The way to add the hair is, once I get it, right, I open my hand, hold it together, twist, and you add again. That is how you flat twist your natural hair without extension. So I'm all the way to the end now. You see, I don't have any hair right there. So I now twist, 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 twist. That is how to flat twist your hair. Have you subscribed yet? If you have not, please subscribe, like, and also smash that notification bell so whenever I upload a video, YouTube will notify you. Thank you for watching. This is how the flat twist look. See you in my next video.